Be sure to follow my Instagram, Marspeed_official. It's a good place for more car content, and I'll answer all your questions in DMs there. Hey guys, so here's another quick and easy light mod. We're going to be swapping out the dim stock license plate light for a brighter LED one. So I'm using Sylvania Zevo 6000K bulbs. You'll need one bulb, either numbered 194, 168, or 2825, as they're all interchangeable. And these can be found at Walmart for under $10. And you might also need a rear license plate light lamp, which is part number 480584-6AB from a dealership. These are around $15 to $20, and as you'll see in the video on my old one, the part where the light shines through was totally covered up with what looks like red paint. Not sure why, but that made it harder for a lot of light to shine through. So we're going to be replacing that as well, but you don't necessarily have to if yours is still clear. So the first thing to do is simply unscrew the two screws at the back of the car on either side of where the light is hidden away. Then you can reach in and pull out the little lamp where the light shines through. So now simply turn and yank the bulb out of the lamp, and it'll just be left dangling as it is in the video. And you want to pull the small bulb out of the holder and watch out as it might be very hot. Then replace the old bulb with the LED one by clicking it in, and then put it back into the new clear lamp. So make sure to test the light and see if it's working, because if not, you just have to flip it around and put it in the other way. Mine wasn't working the first time, so I just flipped it around and it turned right on. So now here's the tricky part. You have to put the lamp back inside and line up the lamp or the platform on it so you can align the holes with the screws in order to put it back in properly. So I found it helpful to just feel around and get the first side done, and then the other one will be a bit easier once you've done that. I have to say it did take me a few minutes to get everything aligned properly. And so yeah, just screw them back in, and once that's done, you're good to go. So as you can see, the license plate is much more illuminated and easier to see from close and far away, especially with my very dark tinted plate, and it just looks better in general with the bright white light. I love modding the car, so even something small like this was very fun to do. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and the small little mod. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more Mopar and car content, and I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching.